Sir, si Zaldico, ipapatawag din ba?
May interparliamentary courtesy. He's still a congressman. And mayroong tradition na voluntarily he can appear and testify or manifest. Pero to send an invitation or even a subpoena, hindi proper.
Yung
Or
kahapon,
tradition.
Sir, ganito kasi seryoso yung allegation against him.
Well, regardless, kasi yan ang tradition eh. Dinatnan na namin yan dito. Nangyari yan before sa, I think, sa drugs issue na ako yung chairman ng public order. Nag-request si then Congressman Veloso kasi his name was mentioned. So pinagbigyan ko and then I gave him first crack. Nag-manifest. Ganun lang. Pero to compel, to invite, and worse to issue a subpoena, mukhang hindi proper.
but if Congressman Zaldico wants to attend, he is welcome.
Definitely. Anybody for that matter.
Any communication since last night, sir, with Congressman Zaldico?
Wala akong ever. Wala akong communication.
Sir,
Maski noon. Kasi wala naman kaming personal na